for 2 today.
I'm gonna stay tonight. David, is my camera blinking?
Yes, it's
It is. It is on.
Yes, it is on.
It is on.
It is on.
Hello.
I know what that means. It's
That's all.
Real state advisory. Not a real state.
No, don't say it. Don't say it. No. I'm scared.
Don't threaten me. That's my dog.
No.
But I'm not going to.
What's up?
I like this idea. And no, but every point that they get, we take a shot. So when they get a touchdown, they pop the. Is that on?
Bo, would you like to say a few words?
Stay in school, go to Berm,
Yeah.
and some third thing.
Yeah.
It's game day!
It's game day.
It's Carson.
Carson! I love you!
Come back!
Oh, I miss Carson.
Are we worrying? We're informing it to the solo one. Hey, I'm in there somewhere. No, it's done. It's done.
Go! Run! Marching machine! Run! 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 Marching machine!
Hey! Have fun.
ISU Pride! Ah! Now we go up! Razzle dazzle up! And rules. Ooh. Turn 2, 3, 4. I know, it feels really good. God bless America. Yeah. Do you have any words of wisdom? And that's true. And that's true. And that's true.
It doesn't really take a lot to like be nice to people.
Yeah, no, that's good. Yeah, I like that. Thank you for your words of wisdom. Yeah, thank you. I'm optimistic.
looking left, throwing left, pass is by Sutton. Throws and the pass is intercepted. He goes this, touchdown Illinois State. Get on your feet and welcome your Illinois State. ISU Athletics wants to try today's game roster. Representatives Joshua Lacombe and Ryan Newby for today's honorary bell ringing. Thank you to Memphis Financial for the continued support of Illinois State Athletics.
Oh, straight lines. We march in straight lines. We march in straight lines. We march in straight lines. Oh, straight lines. We march in straight lines. We march in straight lines. Hey, straight lines. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. 1, 2, 1, 2, straight line. Hey, Berm, what do you say? I said go in straight lines. Straight line, 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 stop! Hiya! Give me your straight lines.
He was also voted FCS National Defense.